So here we are in Eureka, Alaska. Got some serious snow drifts coming onto the road. Winds are pretty high. I'm going like 45. Usually we're going 61 through here. But yeah, this is pretty crazy. Gotta concentrate here for a second. So yeah, just going through in my Chevy Cruze. Some serious winter action here. Gotta stay out of these snow drifts, they'll pull you in. Okay, well, just wanted to keep you all updated. And doing real good so far. It's about 16,500 miles. It is January 7th, I believe, 2012. Okay, more to come later. There's a winter rainbow for you.